Just quickly going to do a piece from our Restless Earth coordinator, Jennifer Johnston. So over to you.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Johnston. I'm the Restless Earth coordinator for the British Cartographic Society. It's been a tough year for Restless Earth, but I'm happy to say that we managed to do a few workshops between lockdowns. And our first place winner is Langley Prep. The students include Angelica Hillier, Sophie Mutimer, Teresa Blank, Charles Barnwell, and Harry Littleboy. And second place also goes to Langley Prep, and third place goes to Ellesmere College. Thanks to all the schools who participated. It's been a tough year, and it's happy to be back.